RDDT stock analysis, massive update for Monday and onwards. Am I buying now? I'll be breaking this down in this brief and short 1 minute video. And nobody else in the world has done more than 45,000 videos like this than me, documenting them all daily for 5 years, and is actually showing you what's making money except me. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. I mean, with Reddit, it's very simple. I hoped I saw a little correction, so like, you know, I can double down and then buy. But all I actually saw is just the price kind of kept doing its thing, you know, and I'm still hoping I see this bigger sort of a correction. I mean, I'm talking maybe like daily. I see this candle here, maybe that happens. But if it sort of just keeps pumping, then so be it. You know, I missed this whole movement. Not gonna randomly buy though, you know what I mean? Just still stick to my edge. And all I'm certainly doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. I mean, Reddit. I also have about 7 receipts here in the Discord as well. So that's how it's looking like for me. This is not financial advice. You know, having done well over 45,000 videos, I'll just stick to my edge. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, so emails and insights sent out to you daily, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.